How to splice DV100. Open the enclosure box. Open the fiber splice tray for fiber separation. Strip fibers using fiber optic tools. Wrap the fiber cable with tape. Loosen the screws of the fiber cable pressboard. Wrap the fiber cable with multiple tape loops. Remove the sealing plug. Insert the optical leading cable. Unscrew the fixing screw. Insert until the depth precisely compresses the tape section. Avoid over-insertion to prevent excessive bending angle that may affect fiber performance. Secure the reinforced core and tighten screw. Insert the sensitive fiber cable. Remove the fixation screw. Re-secure reinforced core and final tighten screw. Trim excess steel wires after arrangement. Tighten screws of fiber cable pressboard. Secure inserted fibers to the splice tray via cable ties. Splice the leading fiber cable and sensitive fiber cable to corresponding fibers respectively. Do not use white-colored fibers for splicing leading or sensitive fiber. Follow the diagram above strictly during splicing to prevent fiber misconnection. Perform fiber splicing. Carefully coil the fibers. Seal the fiber entry port with sealing putty. Install the sealing strip and close the enclosure box.